Have you ever bought a kitchen gadget that promised to change your life, only for it to end up collecting dust in a drawer? Yeah, we've all been there. But today, I've hunted down 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. I'm talking about tools that transform your kitchen experience, save you time, and honestly, make you look like a pro without all the stress. From effortless meal prep to precise baking, healthy weeknight dinners to impressive dishes for friends, these gadgets will completely change how you cook. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's go through each one in detail. Trust me, you'll want every single one of these. 1. Adjustable digital measuring spoon. Starting with the adjustable digital measuring spoon. Now, measuring ingredients might seem simple, just scoop, right? Wrong. Especially if you bake. 1 tiny gram too much flour, and your cookies are rocks. 1 gram too little sugar, and your cake collapses. This spoon solves all of that with absolute precision. Last weekend, I decided to make almond macarons. The recipe called for 7.3 grams of almond flour. Normally, I'd just round up. The result? Flat, sad macarons. But with this spoon, I weighed it exactly. The cookies rose perfectly, with that delicate, airy texture you see in bakery windows. It's also perfect for small batch spice mixes. Measuring 0.8 grams of paprika or 1.5 grams of cumin. Easy. No more guessing. Every dish turns out consistent, which is a huge win if you're cooking for picky eaters, or yourself. It's lightweight, portable, and fun to use. You feel like a scientist in the kitchen. And honestly, it's a subtle flex when friends see you weighing ingredients down to the gram. 2. Silicone stretch lid set. Next up, silicone stretch lids. These seem simple, but they completely change food storage and prep. Hot soup? Covered. Sliced fruit? Covered. Marinated chicken? Covered. No spills, no leaks, no cling wrap drama. Imagine prepping meals for the week. Normally, you'd have a mountain of containers, foil, and plastic wrap. Chaos. With these lids, stack bowls neatly, refrigerate, and nothing spills or dries out. Leftovers stay fresh longer, sauces stay contained, and your fridge looks organized. Even better, they work with hot dishes. Straight from the stove to the fridge, no cracking, no melting. And if you're reheating, just pop it in the microwave, safe and easy. That's time saved and stress eliminated. Also, they make your Tupperware drawer look like a high-end kitchen store rather than a tornado aftermath. 3. Electric salt and pepper grinder set. If you've ever struggled with seasoning, these electric grinders are a game changer. Freshly ground salt and pepper make a night and day difference compared to pre-ground stuff. And with just one button press, you get perfect, consistent seasoning. Making salad for a dinner party? A quick press of the button ensures every piece is evenly seasoned, perfectly enhancing flavor without effort. Roasting steak for breakfast? One twist gives you a light dusting of pepper that elevates the flavor instantly. It's effortless, fast, and makes your meals taste professional. Some grinders let you adjust coarseness, fine for veggies, chunky for steaks. And honestly, the tiny electric buzz makes you feel like a superhero in the kitchen. 4. Foldable steaming basket. Steaming vegetables has never been easier. This foldable steaming basket fits any pot, folds flat for storage, and cooks food evenly without drowning it in water. Weeknight dinner: salmon, carrots, broccoli. Drop them in, cover, steam. Veggies are crisp tender, salmon flakes perfectly, and nutrients are preserved. Quick, healthy, perfect. Cooking for a family? You can steam multiple items at once without overcrowding. The flexibility and height adjustment mean nothing touches the water directly, so food stays intact and visually appealing. And yes, your broccoli will finally stop looking like mush on a plate, crispy, vibrant, chef-approved. 5. Smart meat thermometer. Next up is the smart meat thermometer, and if you cook meat even a few times a week, this is one of those gadgets that instantly upgrades your results. Instead of guessing, timing it in your head, or cutting into your food and losing all the juices, you simply insert the probe, set your target temperature on your phone, and let it do the work. It tracks the internal temperature in real time and alerts you the moment your food reaches exactly where you want it. That means your steak hits a true medium rare, not medium well by accident. Your chicken reaches a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit without turning dry. Your roasts come out juicy instead of overcooked, just to be safe. What makes it even better is the confidence it gives you. You're not hovering over the stove or opening the oven every 5 minutes. You cook calmly, knowing you'll be notified at the perfect moment. It's simple, precise, and once you start using one, cooking meat without it honestly feels like you're just guessing. 6. Multi-blade herb scissors. Cooking with fresh herbs just became fun and effortless. 5 blades cut herbs evenly in seconds, no chopping board needed, no wasted herbs. Sprinkle fresh basil on pasta. 5 snips, and the dish is instantly elevated, visually and flavor-wise. Making a fresh salad? Instead of pulling out a cutting board and knife, just snip parsley, green onions, or cilantro directly over the bowl. The herbs fall lightly and evenly across the lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, giving you balanced flavor in every bite. It feels cleaner, faster, and you're not stuck washing extra dishes afterward. Also, you look like a kitchen ninja while using it. Tiny flex, big results. 7. Automatic stirring pot. Now, this is a gadget that feels futuristic. An automatic stirring pot lets you cook sauces, soups, or risottos without hovering over the stove. Imagine making creamy risotto while chopping vegetables, prepping salad, or sipping wine. The pot keeps the food moving, prevents sticking, and ensures perfect consistency every time. It's like having a sous chef who never complains. It's especially useful for long cooking sauces or delicate dishes that need constant attention. Set it, walk away, and come back to perfection. And yes, watching it spin is oddly hypnotic. You might get distracted just enjoying the motion, which is fine. Cooking can be relaxing too. 8. Oil sprayer bottle. Spray oil like a pro. Whether you're roasting, sautéing, or finishing a salad, a fine mist ensures even coverage, less oil, and better flavor. Roasting veggies for dinner? Spray them lightly and get perfectly caramelized edges without sogginess. Pan greasing? Just a quick mist and your food won't stick. It's healthier, efficient, and effortless. Some bottles are refillable and dishwasher safe. Plus, they let you control exactly how much oil goes on your food. No more guessing or overpouring. Also, it makes you look like a professional chef with one elegant spray. It's small, but it impresses. 9. Silicone baking mats. Forget parchment paper. Silicone baking mats are reusable, non-stick, and perfect for cookies, pastries, or roasted veggies. Baking cookies? They slide right off, crisp edges, soft centers. Roasting veggies? Even heat distribution ensures golden perfection every time. Clean up? One wipe. It's that simple. No more crumpled parchment, no more stuck-on dough. And because they're reusable, they save money and reduce waste over time. Your oven finally becomes a friend instead of a chaotic adversary. 10. Compact vegetable spiralizer. Lastly, the compact spiralizer. Transform veggies into noodles in seconds. It's perfect for healthy meals that look fancy with minimal effort. Zucchini noodles for pasta, carrot ribbons for salads, sweet potato spirals for a colorful stir-fry. It's fast, visually impressive, and keeps your meals healthy and fun. It's small, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone wanting to impress guests or eat more veggies without feeling like they're sacrificing flavor. Plus, watching vegetables magically turn into noodles is oddly satisfying, almost meditative. And there you have it, 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets that truly improve cooking. From precision measuring, effortless steaming, and perfect seasoning, to futuristic automatic stirring, these tools save time, reduce stress, and make every meal taste better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all these gadgets. Your future self, and your taste buds, will thank you.